slime. So sticky, so nice. We can make one more.
You want to make a video about it?
Yeah, I just started it.
I know.
So, makes a lot of slime. This is clear glow slime. I add too much eye contact solution and it got hard. Just comes out.
This one, we tried mixing a couple colors and it ended up baby blue. So, I like this one though.
I made this one.
And
I
it's
made all
like so
these for-
sticky.
She made this one. Which one is very, very good. I like this one. It's baby blue. And look, you just
We can
feel
take
it.
half and half. Let's take half and half.
Yeah, you keep it that one. You keep
You don't
that
want
one.
it?
No, I don't want it. Chase. 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 Wait. Ah, my gosh. Not in my clothes. This is so funny.
He wants me to do it. No, my God.
Yeah. Yeah. You know it. Come on, Chase. This is a good. That wrongly. So, this is the slime I made. It's fluffy slime. Made it for her.
It's so hard. I'm gonna put this in there. Don't put that.
Sweaty right now. Should put it
just
in
put
the
it right
freezer.
there because it won't like stick.
It would stick. It would stick on the thing.
It will,
Yeah. You gotta put it
but
in
those
the
aren't.
Yeah, because they're clear and they're hard. And it's so, like, it's so hard.
Let's put one in the bowl. I'm gonna put this in the bowl.
Okay. You're gonna collect all of that.
And
And let's make some clear glue. I mean,
slime.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna
not
try
with the
again.
shaving cream. We're just gonna do the clear glue and contact solution.